Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have here in my shop today Friends 2004 Toyota Prius. It's here for multiple services which have been discovered or recommended by the dealer. Now the friend knows I'm doing Toyotas. Apparently this is his vehicle which his daughter is driving. We will be doing the rear brake job. The dealer said that the brake shoes are so bad they are metal on metal, damaging the drums. So as you can see here, that's definitely not happening. And if we look on the other side, I was wondering why all the drama, the metal on metal. If you look on this one, there is a very slight groove in it. If you look on the shoes, it's always on that front side, it's thinner, as you know, as you remember from different videos which I have shown. But basically the reason I'm showing it, these are original brake shoes. Yes, you heard correctly. That's 196,000 miles. As you can see, always the rear one, it's thicker. It's normal, it's on all Toyotas, Tacomas and so on. But these are original brake shoes here. Those who are familiar with this generation, they are not surprised. It's not a sensational claim or something crazy. Everybody knows that the front brakes, when they were serviced, these Priuses, that second generation, this is the first year of second generation here in USA. Everybody knows and remembers when they were serviced at like 100,000 miles, which was what, in like 8 years, depending how people drive and how much. But if they driven on the flat surfaces and used correctly that hybrid system for braking, the brake shoes on the front, brake pads on the front, with that typical green color, which I actually can show you on the other side, they were still like missing only 30% of the material. I have this wheel off because I was looking on the water pump or the coolant pump, which is up there. The dealer said it needs to be replaced. I could show you the details. You will be maybe scratching your head. But this was serviced in past by dealer and you see it. These are those green OEM Toyota brake pads for Priuses. This is the thickness, it's basically brand new. So this was replaced once. These were done once at 196,000 miles. We cannot see this one. But one more time we can look on the rear brake shoes. So they finally became, the shoe became in the thinnest spot, 1 millimeter, maybe even slightly less. You know that why it happens, because in general the vehicle is using rear brakes way less than the front brakes, but some of you might not know. So here you see that's the millimeter or maybe very slightly less. This is definitely correct. The dealer, I will agree with them on this. Yes, they were right. I don't see that metal on metal and that hysterical describing to the customer, because that's what he told me. He said, oh, they are metal on metal. I'm like, well, we will see if we can save the drums or they have to be replaced. But that's totally fine. This can be resurfaced. You measure the maximum opening for the drums, and if it's within a spec, it can be resurfaced on the brake light, which you see right here. But I want to share this with you. Some of you doesn't know that this at 196 It's still original brake shoes here. I do a lot of these on the Tacomas, 4Runners and so on. So just to give you comparison, here we are saying original at 196. On Tacoma or 4Runner, that might have been replaced already once or possibly even twice. We will be putting third pair of brake shoes instead of replacing it for the first time. I hope you find this video interesting, and please share underneath the video your experience with this second generation of Prius. If you did own or you do own one of these babies, please share how many miles your either front brake pads or the rear shoes lasted. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.